Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Mr. Amanda, as a lecturer in English course, introduce us from Group 3, Class 1B. I am Nurmalasari as moderator and my friend who will be the reader of our discussion, namely Anisha Nuriski, Iis Rizka Mulyani, Selviana Ayu Lestari, and Wanda Astri. On this occasion will be present an English essay that's our group mad. First, an essay that we made using a casual parent bits with the title The Effect of Smoking. The second essay we made using a conversion pattern with the title Offline and Online Learning. The following is an explanation from our group.
Cause and effect essay. We take the title Dangers of Smoking for Health. The first intro, general statement, warnings about the dangers of smoking for health are constantly being called by the government. Warnings about the dangers of smoking are made clear by providing pictures of the side effects of smoking in cigarette. Thesis statement: smoking is a behavior that has a negative impact on health and the environment. Next. The second, paragraph 1, topic sentence, the problem of smoking, especially in Indonesia, is increasing. Smoking is a behavior that has a negative impact on health and the environment. Smoking behavior in our country occurs in various circles, such as children in school uniforms and even students who are individuals with a high level of education. Paragraph 2, topic sentence, smoking effect. The dangers of smoking for health are not only for smokers, but for those around them because of the effects of cigarette smoke or passive smoking. Paragraph 3, topic sentence, disease caused by smoking. There are several diseases caused by smoking, namely lung disease, impotence and reproductive organs, stomach disease, and stroke. Next. And last, concluding, smoking behavior is very dangerous for our health. Therefore, we should not let more and more victims be from smoking and we should not be one of the victims.
Will be read by Anisha Nuriski.
Next, idea essay, dangers of smoking for health. Warning about the dangers of smoking for health are constantly being called by the government, but there are still many people who smoke cigarettes. Warnings about the dangers of smoking are made clearer by providing picture of the side effect of smoking in cigarette packages. We are no stranger to the terrible picture stuck to cigarette package, ranging from picture of small children with smoking parents and many more. The image aims to provide a health warning because previous warning were less concerning in the community, especially among smokers. The problem of smoking especially in Indonesia, is increasing. Smoking is a behavior that has a negative impact on health and the environment. Smoking behavior occurs in various circles. Even students who are individuals with a high level of education. Effort to stop smoking behavior, a smoker must have a strong motivation. One of the factors that can affect a person motivation is knowledge. Karina Nur Azizah, smoking in adolescents has a negative impact on adolescent health. In places that have been marked no smoking, some people still continue to smoke. There are also school children who are still wearing school uniform who smoke. Smoking is one of the most difficult problem to solve. Next, the dangers of smoking for health are not only for smokers, but for people around because of the effect of cigarette smoke or passive smoking. People who smoke they do not know about the true meaning of health. For them, smoking is a common thing or commonplace to do. If a day without smoking, their mood seems sour and unpleasant. There are so many toxic chemicals found in a cigarette. If in a day we spend 6 sticks or half a pack, how much poison is inhaled? Then the poison accumulates over the years. There are several diseases associated with smoking. 1. Lung disease. The effect of smokers will first damage the organs of the body due to cigarette smoke are the lungs. Cigarette smoke is inhaled and enters the lung, causing inflammation of the lungs, bronchitis, pneumonia, not to mention the dangers of nicotine substance that cause damage to cell in the lung, which can be fatal, namely lung cancer. The dangers of smoking for health are certainly very risky and can cause death. So it's better before that happens. It's better to stop smoking from now on. Isn't prevention better than cure? Just be cures disease occurs. It is better to prevent it by quitting smoking.
Okay, thank you, Anissa Nurizki. And next will be read by Selviana Ayurastari.
Okay, next. Disease of the impotence and reproductive organs. The effect of smoking on other health hazard is that it can lead to impotence. Cases like this have been experienced by many smokers because the content of chemicals that are toxic can reduce sperm production in men. Not only that, men can also occur in the testicular cancer. Therefore, before that happen, slowly reduce your cigarette consumption, especially for teenagers because of the harmful effect of smoking on adolescent health, which can lead to the risk of not having children. Whereas is women who smoke, the effect of smoking can also reduce the level of female fertility. Stomach disease. The thing that looks trivial when smoking a cigarette is that the muscle activity under the esophagus is increasing. The muscles around the lower respiratory tract will slowly weaken so that the digestive process becomes hampered. The danger of smoking for health can also be felt up to the stomach because cigarette smoke that enter the digestive system will cause an increase in stomach acid. If this is allowed to continue, it is not impossible that it will become a more chronic disease such as gastric ulcer, which is more difficult to treat. Of course, if you already know these risks, the awareness to the stop smoking can be higher. Next. Risks of stroke. Active smoker can suffer a stroke because the side effect of smoking can cause weakening of blood vessels. When this weakening occurs and the work of blood vessel is blocked, it can cause an inflammatory attack in the brain. That is what can be a risk of stroke even though the person does not have a high blood background or other stroke-causing disease. The cause of the stroke comes from harmful chemicals such as nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, and oxidant gases contained in the cigarette. So that the danger of smoking for health is almost 505 stroke occur in the active smoker. Therefore, considering the danger of smoking that look us at any time. From now on, let's make a strong determination against smoking. Don't let the number of victims from smoking increase, and don't let us become one of the victims. That's a little information on the danger of smoking for health might be useful for all of us. Do not hesitate and never go back to being a cigarette addict when you can stop smoking. Because sometimes to be able to recover for an addict, the struggle is very hard, especially for someone who is already a cigarette addict. Let's invite your friends to be more active in campaigning the danger of smoking for our health. Next, comparison contrast. Online learning and offline learning. Intro, general statement. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused the government to make policies to limit several activities. One of which is offline learning turning into online learning. Thesis statement, online learning, normally teaching and learning activities that are carried out boldly, while offline learning is teaching and learning activities that are carried out face-to-face in class.
Okay, thank you Salviana Ayu Lestari. Next will be read by Wanda Asri.
Next body, paragraph 1. Online learning and offline learning, of course, make a difference. Online learning activities are carried out at home using virtual face-to-face methods, so that student focus is reduced on learning and student social skill with friends are also limited. Online learning tends to make students more lazy to study because there is no direct teacher supervision. In addition, online learning has a positive influence. For example, children have more time with their families, thus increasing the bonds of children with their families. Next. Online learning and offline learning. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused the government to make policies to limit several activities. One of which is offline learning turning into online learning. Online learning, namely teaching and learning activities that are carried out boldly. While offline learning is teaching and learning activities that are carried out face-to-face in class. Next. Offline learning is carried out in school with the direct face-to-face method. Even so, online and offline learning have similarities. They both carry out learning activities with the same material and also gain knowledge. The similarity between managing online and offline learning is in the provision of the same teaching material. The difference is in the media and implementation models such as providing explanation of materials and assignment. Najamuddin Peta Solong 2021.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your attention. So many presentation from our group about the essay that we made. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.